Dara. Magpabukin sa ta. Dakuan area ha dito, no? Ah, diri di ay.
Ganyan pasahero.
Gas ko na daghan. Yaw, lugar na pwede yung pagpinso, no? Birds daw. Napa kay ticket mo? Wala na yung ticket mo.
Siguro, okay lang ito na.
Meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. Those use their
Ah, magpapaho na rin.
Mura-mura siya crocodile.
all set and ready now, group of sunpreneurs. Now, sunpreneurs have a golden plumage from their head down to their underparts with green wings, resembling the colors of a beautiful sunset. And that's why they're called as sunpreneurs.
Ay, guys. Asan na?
Ay no. Riya sa ano sa asa to sa Davao? No?
Crocodile.
Crocodile Farm. No?
Oo.
Luoy sige na yung kabuhiin ko si Kwan, Rebecca to. Hindi na.
Bandier. Wow, bandier. Uy. No, no.
Boy. Picture bar. Sama ibadah. Yes mga gor. Pura yung mga kauban ko do.
Uy nga, nasaag man ka dire.
Gawas ang amaw.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Pariha gini sila sa kuan. Oh, ito'y kangaroo oh. Kangaroo na no. Ito ah.
Oh, kangaroo. Adi na tamo to Australia kita ang taga.
Gagmay ning kanggaro katong ila Jason kit ano dagko mo kay tuglawas.
Oh.
Nasahot ni. Dagko asa mga kuan.
Unsay tawag ganing kangaroo ha? Kana. Tamo ana. Tawag kangaroo gani.
Tuwad. Sigbin. Entah.
Remain seated for the promise and Mocha. We can extend your arms to the present travel. Please see the way you feel passionate in your skin and self-respect during work. So, we're inside. We can see the different kinds of antelope that we have in this country.
Sibra.
And what do you have here? Zebra. They were born with black skin color with white stripes. And they are also herbivore animals. They love to grasping in grass, which is not traveling or eating. They are usually sleeping while standing up with one eye open. And we have here Thompson's gazelle, one of the smallest antelope that can run up to 80 kilometers per hour. Yes. Next to the Thompson's gazelle, that is wildebeest.
Ah, wildebeest na pala.
Known as the clown of the savannah during
Wildebeest.
mating season. They do dancing to attract females. And I think you are familiar with the movie. Please speak now.
Zebra girl.
And we have here Oryx Gazelle or James Bond. Known as the real life Madame Gazelle in the Peppa Pig series, they used to call it the King of Kalahari Desert since they can survive for a long period of years without drinking water. And one of our photogenic here in Savannah. So once again, Oryx Gazelle or James Bond.
Luto po mo. No?
Tagas kay corn.
Kuy kuan ba kanang sinala nga ice cream flavor bitaw kanang Rocky Road ba?
As you can see that your clothing area where they can slip your rainbow. You can call it mayonnaise. And the next side, that is waterback. Easily recognizable by the
Kuyawa. 10 hours 2 hours.
rough coat with long shaggy hair with white color around their toes. So this antelope is mostly found in Sub-Saharan Africa.
Wala na apay dako ko.
Fighting or playing? Oh. And this is eland, one of the largest antelopes, both in terms of height and weight.
Put
So
alam
fun
siya sa
fact about
zebra.
these animals, eland is
Siguro nagkabaw, no?
Largest antelope.
They are playing. Because we are both siblings.
Ah, typical yun yung exon.
On your left side, that is Greater Kudu. Greater Kudu, one of the tallest and longest horned antelope. Known for becoming motionless and seems endangered to blend into the woodland. In the wild, they live up to 7 to 8 years, but in captivity, they can live to 23 years. So once again, Greater Kudu. Recognized by their unusual white marks on their faces. Both males and females have ring horns, while female having slightly or slimmer ones. And they are mostly active during daytime. So once again, that is glassback.
Birds.
Meters high and covers distance to 12 meters. Males have horns and females don't have. And they can also run up.
Wait lang.
Mo ni siya ang nagkuha sa budget. Mo nang daghagos project, ya.
Amoy sona ron, dong. Dong. Why sona dong?
Patay, grabe kas. Ako ugli usay. Tabo no. Yawa. Ating hawiran ka na impas siguro. Murag kulor ha. Ang ginhawa ang bukang. Anam? Harta diri sa ano, mga congressman kay.
Ara na tas mga congressman kay kami mga big league.
Kini.
Asa mo?
Oh man.
Ay daghan na oy. Ay no kung pagbong pa din.
Pagita ang speaker na nila.
Ito na. Ang mga buaya.
Ada nag-slow mo. Ate, kana ni.
Ano oy, in session sila ron. Ah, sila ko ano na. Tapos yung babae ko kapag nag-egg na po, umahanap ko siya ng lugar kasi yung egg ko nila, pinatagyan na nila ng lugar.
Dito lang po.